What's up, everybody? Welcome to Spraggins World. If you go wheeling, you probably carry tools with you. Like most of us, you probably bought a DeWalt drill or a Milwaukee or something and got you a bag. And you just carry them in the back here. You just threw them in a bag like this. Problem with that is everything's in this one spot. You got tire plugs, wrenches, spare parts, you name it, it's all in here. But I think there's a pretty good solution for that. Introducing the tool bag. You got 5 compartments here, all roughly the same size. Besides the top one, it lays more flat. There we go, our wrenches are all set. Put all our tire repair kit stuff in here. Our plugs at least. I'll have to smash that a little bit, get it in there for right. Keep it in the package. On the back are all our miscellaneous stuff. I need to take that out of the package. We got some. Got everything in here. Now we just need to label them so we know which is which. Close this up, snap it. There we go. Here's a good side-by-side comparison. If you have larger stuff, you're probably going to keep your Milwaukee or DeWalt bags like this. You keep your impacts and stuff all in it. They're not going to fit in here. But if you're looking for a bag that you can easily store a lot of your smaller stuff, wrenches, sockets, stuff like that, miscellaneous stuff. I still got to label all of these, but this could be a bag that you could add to your setup. Easy grabbable, go pick it up, put it somewhere. It's even got these little hooks on here so you can hang it up. I've seen here. I've seen people make little hangers and stuff to hang up here on the back of the Jeep tailgate. But yeah. All right, with the bag buttoned up here, I mean, it's got a little bit of shake to it, but to bounce them around, unlike when it's in the Milwaukee bag, you hear a lot of tools bouncing around and stuff in the back while you're on the trail. This is significantly quieter, so you don't get that annoying rattle. I don't know if we can just get it with these or not. But what's in there? Nothing's really bouncing around, but anyways. I believe these guys are out of Pennsylvania and stuff. Assuming they make them in-house, I'm not sure. I don't have any markings or anything on the bag saying if it was made in the USA, just what's on their website. I got this one for my dad, so for a birthday present, but I think he kept the other 2 for himself. But anyways, I'll link their website down below, or their Amazon, products and stuff. But if this video was helpful for you, hit that thumbs up. If you're not already, subscribe and leave a comment down below if you've used one of these before, or if you think there's a better solution out there. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.